Hello class, welcome to English class. Today I go to tell you a story. I need that you look, listen and pay attention. Okay? Let's begin. Okay, look. He is Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm. He lived in a farm, and on his farm he has some animals. Look, the Old MacDonald animals. Those animals are domestic animals. Look, listen, and repeat after me, please. Chicken. Repeat.
Chicken.
Cow. Repeat.
Cow.
Dog. Repeat.
Dog.
Rabbit. Repeat.
Rabbit.
Hen. Repeat.
Hen.
Rooster. Repeat.
Rooster.
Pig. Repeat.
Pig.
Sheep. Repeat.
Sheep.
Cat. Repeat.
Cat.
Duck. Repeat.
Duck.
Horse. Repeat.
Horse.
Okay. Those are Old MacDonald's animal on his farm. Bye. Now let's do the activity. Today we go to play lottery. This is a lottery. Okay? The first part, you go to cut. Let's cut with the scissors. Those are scissors. Scissors. Now we go to cut this. We are cutting the lottery. Now you take two parts, this and this. Now let's cut this like this. One by one. Ok, mira, ya tenemos el cartón y las fichitas separadas para empezar a jugar lotería. Let's play lottery. Vamos a recordar el nombre de los animales para poder luego jugar. Repite después de mí. Repeat after me. Dog.
Dog.
Rooster.
Rooster.
Duck.
Duck.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Hen.
Hen.
Cat.
Cat.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Pig.
Pig.
Ajá. Entonces, el juego consiste en que yo voy a mencionar un animal, tú vas a buscar la imagen en estas y luego la vamos a tapar acá. ¿Ok? If I say to you, sheep, Look, is this a sheep?
No.
Is this a sheep?
Yes.
Yes, sheep. I go to say you another animal. Pig. Is this a pig?
No.
Is this a pig?
No.
Is this a pig?
Yes.
Yes, repeat. Pig.
Pig.
Okay. Pig. Now, I go to say you another animal. Hen. Is this a hen?
No.
Is this a hen?
Yes.
Yes, hen. Repeat.
Hen.
Hen. Okay, good. Is this a dog?
Yes.
Yes, dog. Now, I say to you, rabbit. Is this a rabbit?
No.
Is this a rabbit?
No.
Is this a rabbit?
Yes.
Yes, rabbit. Now, rooster. Is this a rooster?
No.
Is this a rooster?
No.
Is this a rooster?
Yes.
Yes, rooster. I go to say you duck. Is this a duck?
No.
Is this a duck?
Yes.
Yes. I have only one. What animal is it? Say to me.
It's a cat.
It's a cat. Very good. Okay. Finish. Now, I go to mix this. I go to mix this. Mix. I am mixing this. Okay? And begin. I go to say to you, and you put on the correct animal. Okay? Begin. Sheep. Very good. Hen. Good. Pig. Rabbit. Dog. Cat. Rooster. And duck. Ok, espero que puedas jugar con tu lotería y aprender mucho sobre los animales en inglés. De ahora te voy a mandar una divertida canción en un video relacionada con la granja de Old McDonald's para que la escuches y trates de cantar con el video. Goodbye.